So here is the iCan 75, our most popular downlight. Why, you may ask, do I need to use an iCan 75 over anybody else's? One fitting with various and multiple choices of finish and type, i.e. fixed, adjustable and IP rated. There's your fixed, adjustable and IP. The beauty of the iCan 75 is one can fits all. Okay, so you don't need a bigger can or a bigger cutout for your adjustable, for example. Comes in white, antique brass, brushed brass polished, satin nickel, polished chrome, copper and black. We also do multiple plates, this being a twin. We also do a triple and we do a quad. We do a converter plate if you're retrofitting and you've got a bigger hole to fit to fill. And we also do a plastering kit as well, available in white or black. The can itself has been modified. It's now class 2, therefore no earth needed. It is fire rated to 30, 60 and 90 minutes. Also 30 minutes on eye joists and open metal web joists as well. So it does comply with all regulations. We've improved it so that the actual connector can now fit through the whole of the fitting, okay, to make it easier for connection. Obviously your springs, which are capped as well to protect the plasterboard once it's up in the ceiling or if you need to pull it down. Another key advantage and key point of the iCan range is the open vent design. This allows better thermal management on the GU10s, which in turn prolongs the life of the lamp. If required, we do sell a separate insulation cover, okay, which is universal, which will fit both the iCan 75 and the iCan 65, okay, if required. With regards to wiring the fitting, very simple. Push fit terminals, pushed, clamped, done. You take your lamp, feed through, on, clip in, push back, twist and lock, and that is as simple as that. Installation time is minimal. As discussed, the iCan range list is the 65mm cutout, exactly the same specification with regards to the fire rating, the open vented back as the 75, albeit it's a 65mm cutout as opposed to 75, and we only offer the fixed and IP rated bezels on this particular fitting. But if you've got an area where you don't need as big a cutout or you want a slightly smaller looking fitting, then the iCan 65 would be your go-to. So thank you for joining us today on this video. Hope you liked what you saw and found it informative. Please share, like, subscribe under the All LED group, and we'll see you again on the next video.